Hello friends, welcome to a brand new video where we bring you fresh ideas, inspiring thoughts and powerful insights to help you improve your lives. Every moment here is engaging and motivating, guiding you towards success. In today's topic, you will learn everything step by step, and by applying it, you will move closer to your goals. So let's begin this journey together, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe because something new and exciting is waiting for you here every single day. Thanks.
Let's make your own water pump with balloon and a bottle. This is the apparatus we need. First of all, we'll take a bottle. Then we will make a pinch in bottle. A little hole in bottle we will make. After making hole, we need a straw. We put a straw in the bottle. Now we will bind the straw with bottle strongly. Now we will take a glass and put below the straw. Open the lid of bottle. Now we will take a flask of water and put into the bottle. We will fill the bottle. Now we will take a balloon and fill it with the air with the help of a pump. When the balloon is full of air, we will put at the top of bottle and adjust itself. Let's see with the pressure of air water is poured into the glass.
Friends, I hope you enjoyed today's video and learned something new from this topic. Remember, real success comes where we apply what we have learned in our daily lives. If you like the video, make sure to hit that like button and drop a comment to let us know what type of content you enjoy. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you will be the first to know whenever a new video is uploaded. I will see you in the next one. Take care until then. Thanks.